and history-tested risk management strategy that has brought our current trading record up to 120 wins and 0 losses. We could prove this right here, view performance record. As we scroll down, you're gonna see a whole bunch of 4% wins here in green. And as we get lower and lower, you're gonna see even higher. We're talking 6%, 10%, 7%, 8% wins. Gary Gensler has just made a comment concerning cryptocurrency. And while it is a fairly negative one, the crypto market is pumping like crazy, with Ethereum nearly testing its current high for this bull market. Based on this, and the fact that the next ETF decision is coming up in 2 days on January 10th, where do we think Ethereum is heading next? Let's jump into it. How's it going, everyone? My name is Jake with Trade Confident, here to bring you your daily crypto insight. Thanks so much for joining us today, and I want to let you know you need to be watching for a future forecast video coming out tomorrow. We provide actionable insight into the crypto market every Tuesday and Friday as we embark on our $1 million profit crypto account challenge. Now, last video you need to watch as well. You have 4 options to manage the risk of what's coming. Which will you choose? Now, this video is going to talk about the upcoming altcoin season, what to expect from the Bitcoin ETF, and history-tested risk management strategy that has brought our current trading record up to 120 wins and 0 losses. We could prove this right here, view performance record. As we scroll down, you're gonna see a whole bunch of 4% wins here in green. And as we get lower and lower, you're gonna see even higher. We're talking 6%, 10%, 7%, 8% wins with multiple active trades that you can join right now. If you wanna see each specific trade, just click on their respective links. It'll take you to that page. And as I said, we're 120 wins, 0 losses with 6 active trades. You can access everything I just showed you and more with a membership at the links in the description down below. With that, let's jump straight into Gary Gensler's announcement. A thread, some things to keep in mind if you're considering investing in crypto assets. Number 1, those offering crypto asset investment services may not be complying with applicable law, including federal securities law. Investors in crypto asset securities should understand they may be deprived of key info and other important protections in connection with their investment. Number 2, investments in crypto assets also can be exceptionally risky and are often volatile. A number of major platforms and crypto assets have become insolvent and/or lost value. Investments in crypto assets continue to be subject to significant risk. And lastly, fraudsters continue to exploit the rising popularity of crypto assets to lure retail investors into scams. These investments continue to be replete with fraud, bogus coin offerings, Ponzi and pyramid schemes, and outright theft, where a project promoter disappears with investors' money. Now, he's absolutely not wrong about any of this. If you are a crypto investor and you're looking at a new project, research it thoroughly, research the people behind it, research the utility of the coin, why the coin should be valued what it is. Pay attention to the white paper and essentially just find any and all information you can about a cryptocurrency to ensure it is not a scam before investing. And of course, as a crypto investor, you should be aware and ready for high amounts of volatility. And with that, you need to be using insane risk management in order to protect your trades. Once again, you can check out our last future forecast video. It'll go over our risk management strategy thoroughly. Now, the market in general is taking this as a confirmation that the Bitcoin ETF, at least one of them, the one specifically from ARC21, will be approved within the next couple of days by January 10th. You can see the entirety of the crypto market over here is in the green, with some coins pushing as high as nearly 11%. Ethereum is absolutely one of those coins. Currently, we do see price versus while money flow fairly low, mostly neutral on its chart, but in previous videos, I told you if we bounced from this structure support here, we would be seeing moves to the upside. This is exactly what's happening, and we see a 51% chance of a pump from our trades in favor. Now, these indicators call the bottoms like crazy. In fact, last time we were here, there's a couple of examples. Price versus while money flow right at this level, trades in favor low, moves to the upside. Price versus while money flow at the same level, trades in favor low. With a buy signal, we saw moves up. Price versus while money flow at the same level, trades in favors low with a move up. We are actively seeing moves to the upside. And this comes after yet again testing and bouncing off of this structure support here. This ascending structure support we've maintained for quite a while. And each time we bounce from that level, we see moves almost, if not as high as our previous highs. And currently that sits at $2,448. From the current price, this is a little bit of a move, just a small move of about 4%. But personally, Upon the approval of the Bitcoin ETF, I think Ethereum could see significant moves to the upside. Honestly, the whole market as a whole should see moves to the upside. And that first resistance structure I'm going to be looking at is $2,656. This is going to be my first target. And as we test that, we will reevaluate. So you're going to want to subscribe now for more crypto content, education, and analysis to make sure you are staying updated. From the current price, a move up to that resistance is something like 13%. Keep in mind, this is not quite the maximum, but this is our main target moving forward after the ETF release. Watch out though, because as Gary Gensler has warned, the crypto market is highly volatile, and based on historic data, based on the gold ETF release on November 18th of 2004, gold saw a major move to the upside, followed by a much larger drop for almost 9 weeks, and it took nearly a year to fully recover back to that top. Now, due to the high volatility of the crypto market, I do not expect it to take nearly that long. And as long as money is moving into the market, I think we're going to see really quick moves, probably not even as late as this week. I think a 2-week period could absolutely play out. But through this week, I think a move up to that 2,600 level is likely, followed by a much faster move to the downside, maybe not quite as large as it was in gold. And from there, especially as we move into April for the halving event in Bitcoin, that's when I think we're going to see massive moves, far surpassing what our current highs are, possibly even forming new all-time highs in all the main cryptocurrencies until the end of this bull market. Now, while the daily indicators are showing bullish in order for the next couple of days to play out, if we look at the 1-week time frame, unfortunately, we're seeing a little bit more bearish sentiment. Price versus while money flow is high, trades in favor is high with a 56% chance of a drop. And that's why on the larger time frame and larger scale, after a move up, we are expecting moves back to the downside, with our lowest structure support that I'm looking at currently being $1,909. That's the lowest I think we're going to drop, but of course we will keep you updated as this plays out. As a trader, you need to be paying close attention to the 1-week and 1-day time frames here to make sure you're getting the best possible data to make the best possible decisions for your trades. Now, we use these indicators every single day, and that, combined with our risk management strategy, has helped us earn 120 wins and 0 losses on our membership trades. I know it sounds crazy, but I showed you our trading record earlier. You saw it for yourself how insane these indicators are. Now, stay tuned for just a minute. I have more analysis for you at the end of this video, but first I want to show you how to actually access this for yourself. Everything you need is in the links in the description down below. Go ahead and scroll down, click more, and you're going to want to snag a membership first. And that is because members get massive discounts on our indicators. It is significantly cheaper to purchase with a membership than it is without one. And as a heads up, you'll need a membership to view those future forecast videos and the analysis I'm about to show you with our metrics. $59 a month with price increases up to $95 a month coming soon. So secure your crazy cheap price as soon as possible. Once you have your membership, you're going to want to look at the indicators at the second link. From here, you're going to scroll down and access the coupon code for the indicators at this link, then click Pro Indicator Pack. From here, you're going to scroll down and click I want this, throw in that membership coupon code, fill in your information, click pay, and it's going to offer you the TC top and bottom finder for $400 off, giving you a total $550 discount. Click add to cart, follow the prompts, and we're so excited to trade with you soon. With that, we're heading into the Ethereum metrics, and the very first metric we're taking a look at is the Ethereum Emotional Index, and this shows that the Ethereum moves up are just getting started. Over the weekend, we dropped down into anxious territory. As you can see right here, this is most often when we're seeing moves back up in the market. We are neutral as of today, but I think we're going to see continued moves up in this metric as long as moves up in price continue to happen, which is very healthy for the market. As we touch excited, that could be when we're looking for moves back down, but time will tell and we'll keep you updated. Next up, we need to be predicting what whales are doing soon. Currently, we're seeing long trade sentiment in the market for whales, and that is exactly what we saw play out in the live charts. As long as whales have long trade sentiment, and they begin buying into the market, we should see moves up in price again. Now, last but not least is going to be the Ethereum trade signals chart. This metric has called all three of the previous tops in Ethereum. We see right here, sell signal, move down, sell signal, move down, sell signal, move down. So as the price increases once again, we'll be looking for another sell signal to call the top. And that's the point that we could see those massive moves to the downside that we talked about after the Bitcoin ETF is released. Now, once again, if you want to get access to all these metrics and more, if you're an Ethereum trader or a trader of any of the 20 coins on our website, you can get metrics for all of them. You can get access to our future forecasts, trade setups, and more with a membership at the links in the description down below. With that, I just want to say thanks so much for watching. Trade safe, trade confident, and I'll see you in tomorrow's future forecast videos. Do not miss out.